Energy Corporation, struggling with soil data and inefficiencies, implemented a comprehensive data governance framework within a year. They reduced data errors by 40%, increased operational efficiency by 25%, improved regulatory compliance, avoiding a potential of $2 million of fine. How they did it? Their success came from standardizing data processes, assigning clear roles and responsibilities, investing in the right tools like metadata management software. Here is the step-by-step guide to get started. First of all, assess your current data practices. Evaluate where your organization stands in terms of data accuracy, security, and usage. Second, define roles and responsibilities. Appoint a chief data officer or data steward to oversee governance. Third, establish policies and standards. Document clear rules for data collection, storage, and sharing. Invest in technology. Adapt tools like data catalog software or governance platform, streamlining processes. Train your team. Educate employees about the importance of data governance and their roles in maintaining it. So to sum up, today we learned what data governance framework is, why it's essential, and how to implement it in one step-by-step guide. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe our channel for more insights, and share it with your colleagues. Let's build better data practices together. In our next video, we'll dive into how to simplify data for better decision making. Stay tuned.